EZfeed makes feeding flexible. We do this by providing scripted loads and flex loads. Scripted loads are preset, automated loads set up from the office, giving the owner complete control. The feeder simply starts the load and follows instructions. With flex loads, the feeder has more control over how to load and feed a ration. Let's take a look at the scripted loads. They have preset load amount and a preset unload order. As each ingredient is loaded, it will show you how close, over or under, the actual amount was to the target amount. If we get to a point where we need to skip the current ingredient, in this case, you don't currently have that ingredient in stock, simply click the Advance button. If you are on a tractor that pulls the mixer and the tractor breaks down, situations like this are easily managed. In this case, you simply abort the current load. After you have switched out the tractor, in EZfeed, click on the aborted load to resume where you left off on the previous load. When the loading is completed, EZfeed will automatically display which pens are scheduled for unloading. In many cases, you need to allow enough time for the ration to mix or the scale to settle after driving. For this, you can schedule pauses during the feed process, and the software will instruct your feeder to wait for a specific amount of time before continuing. When the load is finished, EZfeed will display a performance screen. This shows your feeder how accurate the actual feeding was during both the loading and unloading. Next, for the ultimate flexibility in EZfeed, flex loads allow you to divide up a ration to change how and when you feed specific pens. As you can see, there are lots of pens to feed, and it is going to take several loads to feed all of them. If you want to feed a little bit to every pen, EZfeed will guide you to deliver just the right amount by equally dividing this load to each pen. EZfeed keeps track of the total amount that has been delivered to each of these pens with progress bars, green for what has been delivered and red for what is left to feed. If you decide you want a particular pen to get more than the normal ration, you can change the feed amount so that the pen will get extra. This only affects this load and will not affect the normal ration amount for future loads. With the power of scripted loads and flex loads, EZfeed helps you to stick to your feed plan while providing you the flexibility you need.